Hi, everyone. I'm Brian Miller, Senior Product Marketer for Data and Fortellis. I'm thrilled to share with you more about Fortellis, an industry-driven technology platform that enables seamless connection, greater collaboration, and rapid innovation to meet the needs of independent software vendors, dealers, and OEMs. Our presenters today are Leanne Conver, Senior Director, Data Intelligence, and Emily Hernandez, Product Marketer for CDK Neuron, our next generation intelligence engine. Let's get started. Leanne, please kick us off here, if you would.
Sure. So thanks, Brian. And before I start, I just want to give a shout out to Brian Miller. He is located in Tampa, Florida. And if you guys are familiar, there happens to be a hurricane passing over his head as we speak. So it's been touch and go on whether or not he'd even be able to attend. But those that know Brian know that nothing would stop him from talking about Fortellis, even a hurricane. So I'm excited to see all the interest in CDK's data and intelligence offerings. As you heard during the keynote, and you can see through all the other dealer-focused breakout sessions, CDK's data and intelligence offerings are building value directly into CDK's products that we then make available to dealers. But what this session is going to focus on is how we can help independent software vendors. So today's automotive technology landscape is crowded with over 2,000 solutions, all vying for business from dealers and OEMs. These solutions are founded with great vision, but sometimes fall short because they are siloed and fragmented, leading to poor communication across the automotive ecosystem. Unfortunately, we've noticed how inaccurate and incomplete information across multiple tools leads to missed opportunities for dealers to improve their performance, productivity, workflow, and increase customer satisfaction rates with seamless and personalized experiences. So exciting innovation is happening all around us. We live in a time of change, which is why we believe a platform which allows your tools to communicate and connect is the answer. Fortellis is designed to bring that innovation to the forefront of the automotive industry. So dealers, independent software vendors, and OEMs alike are ready for solutions that communicate with each other and only take hours, not months, to implement. Given the complexity and speed of things today, we know how important it is to have secure, intelligent, and reliable tools which empower you to run your business in a smart and efficient manner. CDK has defined our purpose as the connector of end-to-end automotive commerce, and Fortellis is a key mechanism for us to fulfill that role. So I'm going to get started with the question that I get the most, which is, what is Fortellis? So simply, it is a technology platform that allows dealers, independent software vendors, and OEMs to leverage, build, innovate, and integrate apps and workflow to transform their business. There are three main components to the platform. There's the developer network, which is where the software engineers will find new modern APIs available and ready for integration to build the solutions your customers want and need. Then there's the marketplace, which is where dealers are able to discover those innovative solutions. So new workflows that solve their business needs from hundreds of available applications published by not just CDK, but CDK and third-party developers, all integrated into CDK's core. The community is really what ties it all together. It's where developers and thought leaders come together to connect, exchange ideas, explore best practices, or have their questions answered. Now, leveraging the power of Fortellis, our users have been shown successful results when connecting to industry partners. Since we launched the platform 3 years ago, we have seen tremendous growth. With over 100 public and private APIs published on our developer network and many more on the horizon, there are over 140 new applications bringing innovation to our dealership network. They're published in our marketplace to meet workflow needs across a dealership's service lane, business office, digital retail presence, and customer management systems. And we have seen 10 times growth with more than 1 billion successful transactions, each leading to enhanced collaboration and improving connections across our industry. And that rate of growth of transactions is just continuing to increase exponentially. All of this really provides value back to the dealers. So where the value comes to the dealers, that we now have 5,400 dealer integrations going through Fortellis. So all those dealers finding the value in these applications that you, the developers using Fortellis, are able to bring them. So I want to say a huge thank you to each of our contributors. As I mentioned, I see many on the call today who have helped in the success of Fortellis today. Ultimately, we built this platform for you, the developers, looking to solve automotive retail problems through innovative solutions, and we will continue to serve as a connector of end-to-end commerce. So speaking of developers, I'm now going to turn it over to Brian Miller so he can talk a little bit more in detail about the developer network. Brian?
Thanks, Leanne. The Fortellis Developer Network is where CDK, as well as third-party contributors, are publishing next-generation APIs and apps that are fueling innovation across the automotive industry. This first-to-market platform provides an infrastructure for developers to leverage integrations into CDK products, creating new tools that solve workflow needs for today's dealers. Within our API directory, developers can discover, test, and consume modern APIs to build industry solutions for other developers and dealers. In our API directory, developers can consume over 100 different modern APIs to build industry solutions for other developers or dealers to subscribe to. This directory makes it easy to discover the right API for your specific use case. Once you've registered and logged into your developer account, each API listing includes a descriptive spec outlining all the functionality and clear pricing of usage. Additionally, our directory provides guidance to business owners through comprehensive user guides and can be easily downloaded and implemented. The developer network lets you go from concept to working application in less time than ever before. Within our network, a user can quickly create an app project and add APIs that they're wishing to leverage for that application. Once the connections are made and the functionality is validated, taking that app listing to market is also done within a single, easy-to-use interface. Fortellis is constantly evolving to meet our market's needs, and so much has changed over the last year. Here's just some of the many new and improved features. Number one, our new lifecycle management tools gives API publishers more flexibility and control to both testing and production environments. We've also made it easier to add APIs to app projects, thanks to improved search tools within our new user-friendly app project screens. In addition to RESTful APIs, async APIs can be added, enabled, and pointed to your webhook within an app project. Our expert CDK support team are on hand to help guide you with testing your desired workflow. And creating a new app listing in Marketplace is easier than ever, thanks to our new Marketplace app listing workflow that enables smooth and self-serve experience. Let's take a deeper view into the functionality of CDK APIs available in the Fortellis platform. CDK Global has defined its purpose as an agnostic connector of end-to-end automotive commerce to service the entire industry. Fortellis is the key mechanism for us to fulfill that commitment. With each CDK API, you can rely on a modern API design built on open API standards for fast, efficient development, which empowers you to build and deploy applications that integrate into CDK strategic solutions. We also provide modern API functions that assure you get what you need, post where you must, and can receive intelligent, timely updates to drive your workflow. And most importantly, you're able to leverage CDK's tools. Each of these CDK APIs on Fortellis provides deeper integration into CDK systems your customers use on a daily basis and trusted by thousands of dealers across the US and Canada. Now, now as I look forward to the future, I'd like to look forward even more and have Emily Hernandez jump in to introduce us on how CDK Neuron is adding value to the Fortellis platform.
Thank you, Brian. CDK Neuron is playing a key part in the value of Fortellis, and we'd like to talk about some of the exciting offerings coming to the platform. But first, I want to set the foundation and explain how Neuron is CDK Global's next-generation intelligence engine that blends rich market data, leading analytics, and artificial intelligence together to create actionable insights that are helping our automotive leaders drive more sales and increase their profitability. Neuron is built on a strong foundation of this rich market data and leading analytics to bring our insight-driven solutions to a competitive market. And beginning with rich market data, CDK Global collects and curates the largest and richest set of data through billions of near real-time and historical data sets from CDK's products and the automotive ecosystem. Next, to help our customers bring clarity to every business decision, Neuron applies this advanced analytics and artificial intelligence to the rich market data to be able to identify trends, patterns, and behaviors for personalized predictions and recommendations on your business's next best move. Then we're bringing these intelligent insights to you through Neuron's insight-driven offerings. And Neuron is not a single product, it's a portfolio of offerings that will help you derive valuable insights from your data. And we have a set of solutions. We have standalone solutions that will allow you to harness your data, including advanced enterprise reporting and data access products coming to market soon. We have modern insight and async APIs for you or your partners to use to improve your own products and workflows. And in addition to launching new intelligent offerings to the market, we're also bringing greater value to CDK's strategic solutions by infusing Neuron insights directly into CDK's core applications that our customers trust and are using today. Through all of these offerings, Neuron is helping our customers be able to create new ways to automate their tasks, build productive and profitable operations, augment your employees' performances, and ultimately, what's most important is improving your customers' experiences. And Fortellis is serving as a valuable connector to be able to bring Neuron offerings to a marketplace that our customers are currently using and trust again. So available on Fortellis today, we have our advanced vehicle lookup API. And in order to achieve profitability, automotive retailers need to know the true value of their vehicles that run their business. And Neuron API, or Advanced Vehicle Lookup API, is providing the key insights into your vehicle's value beyond basic VIN data. And our innovative API provides access to cleansed and enhanced OEM build data, giving you greater visibility into a vehicle's as-built configuration and value. And as a leader and a valued partner in automotive retail, CDK Global has partnerships with many major OEMs, which has helped to build our comprehensive vehicle reference library for detailed VIN-specific vehicle data, including options and packages for your new and used vehicle merchandising, marketing, insurance, and financing needs. Next, our async API offerings enable event-driven integrations between applications to create consistent and seamless real-time experiences across your dealership's operations. And Neuron is bringing our async APIs to market to be available on the Fortellis API directory to be able to streamline your repair order and appointment updates via this event-driven data. Then we have predictive service, which Mahesh highlighted in his keynote this morning. And this is a new capability of the CDK Service Inspect application that we've infused Neuron intelligence into to be able to help our dealers bring incremental service revenues while improving your customers' service, satisfaction, and trust. Predictive service looks at historical data from thousands of vehicles and applies statistical algorithms and machine learning to be able to look at behavioral patterns based on your vehicle's failures or based on the vehicle's year, make, model, and mileage to identify these potential service failures and then recommend to a service technician which specific components to include in their multi-point inspection based on this proven data. This is leading to more proactive and thorough inspections, and it drives higher service revenues and customer satisfaction available on the Fratellis marketplace. And just in case y'all want to learn more about Neuron and how it can benefit you, I encourage you to go visit neuron.ai or contact me directly, and I'd be happy to discuss it with you. Back to you, Brian.
Thanks, Emily. So we've discovered some new ways to connect and integrate our solutions to CDK. We've tested out use cases. We've validated our product functionality. Now it's time to show the real power of Fortellis as it comes into focus. Fortellis Marketplace is where you can deliver your new app to thousands of dealers. Marketplace serves as a one-stop shop for dealers to discover and subscribe to a growing list of hundreds of offerings to meet their unique needs. Our marketplace is extremely comprehensive, and we've connected you to solutions from over 10 different categories, ranging from fixed operations, modern retail, digital marketing, business office, and more. And thanks to the advanced searches within the marketplace, we make it easy for that discovery to take place. Within Marketplace, each listing provides key information needed to make a purchase decision. Dealers can read detailed descriptions on specific functions of each app, see which APIs are integrated with that app, and so much more. Let's take a look at a dealer experience within the Marketplace. When visiting Fortellis.io, you're enabled to navigate the Marketplace to find the right tool for you. Notice within our interface, it makes it very easy. In this case, I'm actually going to click on that predictive service option because I just heard Mahesh say how cool that was in the earlier session. I'm able to go down, I'm able to look at basic details, read some feature benefits. In this case, I can see what OEMs it's available for. And in my dealership, I've got the right OEM available. So I'm going to go ahead and go up and I'm going to watch that video first about it just to learn a little bit more. And Kim Saylor does a fantastic job of explaining what predictive service is, how it works, and how it works within CDK service. After watching that video as a dealer, I feel very comfortable with the process. So from here, I can choose to go ahead and proceed to the next step. And that would be to go ahead and subscribe. We go to the next slide. You'll see here, I've got two options on the left. One of them is a contact publisher option. If I want to click on that, maybe I just want to ask a couple of questions of the publisher. I can do that. I can request a demo. Or in my case, I'm pretty committed. So I want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I can see what plans are available. The great thing is this is free for CDK service. So I hit that button and off I go. And I'm now prompted to go ahead and sign in with my CDK credentials. So I'll do that. And when I do, I'm then taken immediately to a screen where I can see on the top that this is for predictive service. And I can also see on the screen which dealers I'm able as an authorized signer to subscribe for. So on the next screen, I'm going to go ahead and select, in this case, just the one dealership, and I'm going to hit next. And when I do, then I'm able to see the different terms that I need to sign to and any integration agreements that I need to agree to. You'll notice here on another screen, I've showed a different company that has actually 4 different connections for eLead. So every integration screen may look a little different, but the concept is the same. I'm going to go ahead and click to review the terms. It's pretty straightforward. When I do, I can read that. I can download that if I need a copy of it for my own records. I can go ahead and hit yes to accept all the terms, and then I hit next. Now I'm taken to a review screen where I can confirm that I'm about to order that product. And if I do, great. I go ahead and hit complete, and the process is literally done in just a few simple clicks. So what does the near future hold to Fortellis? It's kind of a great question. CDK is publishing a large number of APIs for Fortellis with an eye on solving as many use cases as possible. Each API has the potential to create countless integration possibilities. In the months to come, we look forward to releasing more details about how these new APIs are bringing greater value to the platform and to your integrations. But rest assured, the focus on helping solve the needs for our dealers is in a variety of areas. Can include modern retail needs to sales, desking and process, fixed operations enhancements around appointment synchronization and service process transparency, and ways for parts delivery and vehicle connectivity to happen better. We're not resting, excuse the pun, on our API technologies. With CDK Neuron, our async API powered by event-driven technology is a game changer for developers, allowing updated data on demand, reducing unneeded query requests, and simplifying the systems needed to drive time-sensitive workflows. Async APIs provide a major step forward, improving infrastructure and the timeliness of data while benefiting a wide array of use cases, including service notifications through the life cycle of a repair order between the dealer service department and the customer, ensuring an enhanced process. Appointment synchronization to aid with appointment experiences beyond CDK service, and even a companion service like companion services like mobility. We also have remote payment processing, delivering convenience while reducing the data entry by dealer personnel. We've seen today how together data and intelligence can change the automotive industry for the better. For me, I can't wait to see what you as a group are able to do as you begin to create and pave the way for simplified workflows using intelligence, insights, and collaborative communications together. I'd like to thank Leanne Conver and Emily Hernandez for your help today in the presentation. Most of all, I'd like to send a big thank out and a shout out to each one of you for participating in today's event. We look forward to seeing what you can do together with us. So we'll see you soon, and happy developing.